Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day. Everybody's mother, everybody have mother, everybody all have mothers and should respect the mother, and with your mother you should have a power of yourself. But if you will be a father, so wait. The Father's Day coming when is Father's Day?
In June.
So soon we will have our day. If you not be a father, eventually soon or future you'll be a father. Okay, this one guy. He loves dragon very much. Anything he go out to buy must have a dragon size or even writing a cup with a dragon, a painting, dragon painting, dragon table, dragon mirror, and everything dragon. So love dragon so much. So everybody call him the dragon. So it's so keen in the whole village. Everybody knows him. So, and he said, I would like one day I really see a dragon. Real dragon. I've been waiting for it. Everywhere is a dragon. His wall, I'm sure, even in his bathroom, he must have a dragon there too. So, whatever he doing so much, collecting so many dragon things, and even try to draw a dragon. The whole village knew, many people knew, up to the sky, the dragon, heard about Chinese dragon. Oh, I got big fence down there.